Pascal's triangle. There is a very important observation from Pascal's triangles, that is nothing but a triangular series. What is that triangular series? We will see. This is 1, these 1, 1. These nothing but 1 plus 1 is 2. These nothing but 3, 3, 1. These nothing but 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. These nothing but 1, 5, 10. 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 10, 5, 1. Now if you observe, sir, if you observe carefully, there is a beautiful series that is present. This series is called as 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. This is nothing but the triangular series. 1, 3, 6, 15, 21 and so on. Why this is a triangular series? Suppose if I keep a 1. If I keep 3. This is forming a triangle. If I keep 3, 6, it is forming a triangle. I hope it is clear. So 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. This is an extremely important series, sir. This is an extremely important series, which is nothing but a triangular series. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Why it is a triangular? If it is 1, next it is 3. Write down like this. If you connect the endpoints, it looks like a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you join the endpoints, it looks like a triangle. Triangular series. Very important key points based on triangular series. What is this triangular series? Triangular series. Triangular series is nothing but 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28. If you observe closely, these increased by 2, these increased by 3, these increased by 4, increased by 5, increased by 6 and so on. Right? Now, another point, sum of any two consecutive numbers, sum of any two consecutive numbers in triangular series is a perfect square. Sum of any two consecutive numbers in a triangular series, it is a perfect square. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is nothing but 2 square. 3 plus 6 is nothing but 9, which is nothing but 3 square. Take any two consecutive numbers in the triangular series, it will become a perfect square. 10 plus 15, which is nothing but 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. 21 plus 28, which is 49, which is nothing but 7 square. Sum of any two consecutive numbers, sum of any two consecutive numbers in triangular series, it is nothing but a perfect square. Sum of any two consecutive numbers in a triangular series, it is nothing but a perfect square. A magical concept in the next slide, sir. Triangular series. Triangular series increases by plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and so on. Sum of any two consecutive numbers in triangular series is perfect square. Now see here. Now see here. Triangular series. Triangular series is triangular series. It is nothing but 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, 28 and so on. Suppose if I take a 2 into 2 chessboard, 2 into 2 chessboard, these are like this. Yes or no? If I take a 3 into 3 chessboard, 3 into 3 chessboard, these are like this. I hope it is clear. Now if you observe, Now if you observe, if I see like this, this is nothing but 1 plus 3. If I see like this, this is nothing but 1, this is nothing but 3, this is nothing but, right? Or you do like this, sir. This will be, now see here, these nothing but, these nothing but 3, these nothing but 6. Are you all with me? Right? Are you all with me? Now if you see here, 1 plus 3 is nothing but 4, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square. So it is nothing but 2 square. 3 into 3 chessboard, which is nothing but 3 plus 6. If I arrange 3 numbers and 6 numbers in this fashion, it will look like a 3 into 3 chessboard. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Suppose if I were to arrange a 4 into 4 chessboard, 4 into 4 chessboard, 4 into 4 chessboard, this will look like this. This will look like this. This is nothing but, this is nothing but 6 plus 10 only. If you observe, are you all with me? 6 plus 10 is 16, which is nothing but 4 square. 2 into 2, I got 2 square. 3 into 3, I got 3 square. 4 into 4, I got 4 square. Very, very important key point. Number of squares. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. Total number I require summation. In n into n, I got 2 into 2. In 3 into 3, I got 3 into 3. I hope the idea is clear. Suppose in 2 into 2 chessboard is there. Summation 2 square, which is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square, which is nothing but total 5. Total 5. I hope it is clear. So total 5 squares. 5. If I take a 2 into 2 chessboard, total how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Outside is nothing but 5. Are you all with me? Similarly, if I take a 3 into 3 chessboard, what is the number of squares in a 3 into 3 chessboard? Number of squares. Number of squares in an n into n chessboard. In an n into n chessboard is given by na square. Summation is a total number. Because I want total number of squares in an n into n chessboard is summation n square. From where we got n square? If it is a 3 into 3 chessboard, this can be arranged with 3 with 6. 3 with 6. 3 plus 6 is nothing but 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. Total number is nothing but summation n square. Answer is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Answer is 1 plus 4 plus 9. Answer is 14. Let us see whether the 3 into 3 chessboard. These 3 into 3 chessboard. Total number of squares. Otherwise you will count it. Otherwise you will count it. Total number of squares. Now see here, total 14 we should get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9. 1 into 1 squares we got. Next one. 10, 11, 12, 13. Total 1 into 1 I got 9. Right, 2 into 2 I got 4. 3 into 3 I got 1. Which is nothing but 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. That is what I wrote. Total number of squares in an n into n chessboard. It is summation n square. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. From where we got these triangular series? Triangular series we got it from, right, from the middle value. From the middle value. I hope the idea it is clear. 1, 3, 6, 10 and so on. 1, 3, 6, 10 and so on. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, another key point. Please write down. X plus y power n. It is nothing but not selecting any power of y. Next it is NC1, selecting one power of y. NC, n, selecting y power n. X is n minus n, 0. This is nothing but NC2, x power n minus 2, y power 2. Are you all with me? So the generic term is given by, from n, I am selecting r. So selecting r, I am selecting y powers of r. X will take remaining n minus r. I hope if it is first term, denominator is NC0, it is 0. Second term, it is 1. Third term, it is NC2. So the generic term is given by NCR, x power n minus r, or y power r. In which expansion it is? X plus y power n. The general term for x plus y power n is given by NCR, x power n minus r and y power r. Out of n powers, I am selecting r powers of y. So y power r will come. Sum of the powers of x and y should be equivalent to n. Remaining is n minus r. First term it is starting with 0. Second it is 1. Third it is 2. So if it is r, first term r is 0. Second term r is 1. Third term, if r equivalent to 9, that means it is referring to 10th term. If r is referring to 25, I am referring to T26th term. T26th term. Are you all with me? Are you all with me? Now see here. NCR, x power n minus r. General term, I hope it is clear. From these general term, let me write down x plus y power n. NC0, x power n. NC1, x power n minus 1. NC2, x power n minus 2. And so on up to NCn. NCn, y power n. I hope it is clear. Now see, let x is equivalent to y equivalent to 1. So these is nothing but 2 power n equivalent to, all are 1. NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 and so on up to NCn. NCn. I hope it is clear. Write 2 power n. Sum of the coefficients, it is always given by, write 2 power n by putting x equivalent to y equivalent to 1. Example, suppose if it is 8C0 plus 8C1 plus 8C2 and so on up to 8C8. It is nothing but 2 power 8, which is nothing but 256. Please write down 8C0, 8C1 and so on up to, write 8C8. Another one, 7C0 plus 7C1 and so on up to 7C6, which is nothing but 2 power 7 minus 7C7, which is 2 power 7 minus 1, 127. Please write down this point. NC0 plus NC1 and so on up to NCn is given by 2 power n. 2 power 8 is 256. 7C0, 7C1 till 7C6, 7C7 is missing. 2 power 7 minus 1, which is 127. Put a star mark on this. We will solve some problems. NC0, NC1 till NCn is 2 power n. Next one, another important. x plus y power n, it is nc0 x power n, nc1 x power n minus 1 y power n, ncn y power n, ncn y power n. Now see here, case 1, x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1. What is the conclusion we got? nc0, right, plus nc1 and so on up to ncn is 2 power n. Case number 2, x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to minus 1, y equivalent to minus 1. This is nothing but nc0, nc0, nc1, right? I hope it is clear, right? So x equivalent to 1, y equivalent to 1. This will become nc1, 1 power, or what we'll do is, instead of writing this, we'll simplify it like this. We'll simplify it like this. We'll simplify it like this so that you will understand it better. X equivalent to 1. 1 plus y power n. It is nothing but nc0 plus nc1y plus nc2y square and so on up to ncn y power n, ncn y power n. I hope it is clear. Suppose replace y with minus y. If I replace y with minus y, 1 minus y power n, nc0 plus nc1 into minus y, nc2 into minus y square and so on up to ncn into minus 1 power n. All odd powers, all odd are out. So it is 1 plus y power n plus 1 minus y power n is 2 into nc0 plus nc2 y square and so on up to ncn y power 4. I hope it is clear. How to get the even powers of y? How to get the even powers of y? I am only taking 0, 2, 4 and so on and so on. I hope it is clear, right? The another value is how to get the, right? Please tell me the value of all the even powers of y. Even powers of 5. Even powers of 5. Odd will get cancelled. Odd will get cancelled. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Even coefficients, even powers of 5 coefficients you can find it out. Odd powers of y we can determine. Even powers of x we can determine. Even powers of y we can determine just by doing some changes. You will understand its application once we solve a problem. Just make a note, sir. How to get the even powers of y values. How to get the even powers of y values. Now see here. Now it should be clear. I hope right now it is clear. X plus y power 1 is nc0, not selecting any power of y, selecting 1 power of y, selecting k powers of y, selecting n powers of y. I hope it is clear. This is nothing but the generic term. nck, x power n minus k, y power k, n minus k, y power k. Very important properties of binomial coefficients. Not selecting and selecting all. It is clear. Selecting 1 is rejecting n minus 1. It is also clear. Selecting k is rejecting n minus k. Rejecting n minus k. Now, here what we will do is, just to understand this, let us take x plus y power 4. What are the coefficients? 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3. Just for our understanding, what we'll do is, Praveen, right, x plus y power 4, these are nothing but the, listen carefully sir, these are nothing but the coefficients of x and y power, 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, 4c3, right. Now see here, suppose first example, these are nothing but 4c0 plus and so on up to 4c4. 4c4 is also missing. 4c4 which is 2 power 4 which we did it. Now you put n equivalent to 3. If I put n equivalent to 3, see here sir. If I put n equivalent to 3, put k equivalent to 2. Check whether it is satisfying left hand side equivalent to right hand side. 3 plus 1 is 4c2. It is 3c1 plus 3c2. 3c1 is out of 3 selecting, these both are equal actually. 3c1 is 3, 3c2 is 3. 6 equivalent to 6. 6 equivalent to 6. I hope the idea is clear. So these also working. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is n plus 1 CR. Now here we will do 4c0 minus 4c1 plus 4c2 minus 4c3 plus 4c4 plus 4c4. I hope it is clear. Substitute it, that also will give you the answer. Substitute it, that also will give you the answer. These 1 minus 4 plus 6 minus 4 plus 1. 8 minus 8, it is 0. I hope it is also clear. It is also clear. Next, C0 plus C2 plus C4. What it is happening? These are nothing but 1. 4C2 is nothing but 6. 4C4 is nothing but 1, which is nothing but 8. 8 is nothing but 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 3, it is 8. All can be easily understood by taking, right, some random values. These importants are important. Now, see here, sir. These are nothing but, last concept is extremely important. Why? Because 4C0 plus 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C3 plus 4C4, it is nothing but 2 power 4. If you observe 4C1 plus 4C2 plus 4C4, selecting even powers of y power 0, y power 2, y power 4, 4C1 plus 4C3, 4C, I hope it is clear. These are nothing but 1 plus 6 plus 1. These are nothing but 4 plus 4, which is nothing but 16. These both the values are equal. So not selecting any, right, even powers of 0, even powers of y, and selecting odd powers of y. Kindly take a screenshot of this one, sir. Kindly please take a screenshot of this. Extremely important, sir. Kindly take a screenshot of this. Kindly take a screenshot of this. NC0, NCN, NC1, NCN minus 1, right? Not taking any odd powers of y is equivalent to selecting the even powers of y. If I am not selecting odd powers of y, that means I am selecting even powers of y. If I am selecting even powers of y, that means I am not selecting odd powers of y. Obviously, they both will be equal. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is nothing but I am selecting odd element values. If I am selecting odd values, that means I am rejecting even values, or rejecting even values is also nothing but selecting even values and rejecting odd values. That is the reason they both are equal. Still it is clear. I want the fundamentals to be extremely clear, sir. I want the fundamentals to be extremely clear. Right? Now, another key point. See here, sir. Another key point. First key point, x plus y power k, it will have k plus 1 terms. This is the first one. Second key point, in x plus y power n, tr plus 1 is nothing but ncr, x power n minus r, y power r, right? Now, suppose I want x plus y power 8, third term from the right. I want third term from the right side. Third term from the right hand side. X plus y power 8 is total 9 terms I will get. 9 terms means last term is T9. Here it is T8. Here it is T7. Third term from the right hand side is nothing but seventh term from the left hand side. Seventh term from the left hand side. Are you all with me? Third term from the right hand side. Third term, it is nothing but seventh term from the right hand side. Seventh term from the right hand side. Suppose, see here, sir. Right, third term from the right hand side. I hope it is clear. Seventh term from the right hand side. Now, based upon this, can you please check it out? This one. In the binomial expansion, x plus y power n. I want, suppose x plus y power 10. 10 is nothing but the 11 terms are there. Pth term from the end. Pth term from the end. Third term from the end. If it is third term from the end, third term from the end is nothing but T11, T10 and T9. Are you all with me? T9. So, ninth term from the left hand side. Ninth term from the left hand side. I hope it is clear. Ninth term from the left hand side. So, this is nothing but 10 minus, if it is x plus 1 power n, n is t, t minus pth term from the right, third term from the right, third term from the right is T11, T10 and T9. So, these is nothing but the T9. T9 is nothing but T8 plus 1. I hope it is clear. You don't need to by heart all these things. We'll go logically. Otherwise, you will end up by hearting it. Please write down the next one, sir. TR plus 1. This we have to do. We have to do this. TR plus 1 by TR. It is nothing but n minus r plus 1 by r. Right? Into y by x. Please write down. This is in the expansion x plus y power n. Extremely useful to find out the greatest integer coefficients. To find out the greatest integer coefficients. Find out the greatest integer coefficients. Suppose an example. X plus y power 4. X plus y power 4, r equivalent to 2. R equivalent to 2 is T3 by T2. T3 by T2. This is 4C0, x power 1. 4C1, x cube y power 1. 4C2, x square y square. So, third term is nothing but 4C2, x square y square divided by second term is nothing but 4C1 x cube y power 1. 4C2 by 4C1 which is nothing but 6 by 4 which is 3 by 2. This is nothing but y by 6. These 3 can I write it as 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 into y by x. Yes, definitely right. Please write down these values, sir. t r plus 1 by r equivalent to n minus r plus 1 into y by x for x plus y power n. You can easily deduce it. Why to write ncr plus 1 by ncr? That is not required. You can use this. So tr plus 1 by tr is n minus r plus 1 by r into y by x. I just took an example of n equivalent to 4 to check whether it is right or wrong. I hope it is clear. So now one by one we will see all the important key points, then we will see all the values. Right, now see here, sir. Now see here, general term we discussed, pth term from the end we discussed, tr plus 1 we discussed, then properties of binomial coefficient we discussed, how the rth term is generated we discussed, even coefficients we discussed, Pascal's triangle we discussed. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to everyone, then I will get into a problem solving. Fundamentals, I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat if everything is clear to you. If everything is clear to you, kindly reply. Now see here. Let us solve one by one all the problems. So in case even if you by heart also, you can go logically. Find the 14th term. Find the 14th term. tr plus 1 equivalent to ncr y power r x power n minus r. This is in x plus y power n. So 14th term t13 plus 1 equivalent to 15c13. It is nothing but a power 13 into 3 square. I hope it is clear. 14th term or this method 1. This method 1, applying the notation. Method 2, 3 plus a power 15, it will have 16 terms. It will have 16 terms. Am I right? So this 16th term, this is 15th term, and it is 14th term. 16th term means all powers of a will be present. A power 15, a power 14. The power of y will decrease by 1. It is a power 13. Power is 15. So it is 3 square. I gave powers of 13 to 5, which is 15c13. You can do anyways. Either you can do logically or you can do formula based. 3 plus a power 15. 15 will have 16 term. 16th term will have all the powers of 5. Right, powers of a will decrease. A power 14, a power 13. I gave power 13. That means it is 15c13. Power should be 15. So it is 13. Another should be 3 square. Another should be 3 square. I hope it is clear. One more question we will solve of this pattern. Instead of 3 plus a power 5 plus x power 18. 16th term we require. 16th term we require. Let us go logically. 5 plus x power 18. If it is 5 plus x power 18, total 19 terms we require. So 19th term will have everything, x power 18. 16th term is there. Here it is 18th term. Again it is 17th term. Again it is 16th term. Powers of x will decrease by 1. X power 17, x power 16, x power 15. I gave x power 15. That means out of 18, I selected 15. Power should be 18. So it is 5 power 3. Idea clear? You don't need to remember the formula also. If you know the concepts, it's very, very easy. It is very, very easy. I hope it is clear. First problem with formula and without formula. Next one, fifth term from the end, x cube by 2 minus 2 by x cube power 9. 9 is nothing but 10 terms are there. 10 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. I want T6. TR plus 1 is nothing but NCR, x power n minus r, y power r. T5 plus 1 equivalent to 9C2. 9C2 into x cube by 2 power 7 into minus 2x by cube power 2. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. 9C2. 9 is a composite number, right? 9 prime number derivative is 3. Before 9, what is the next prime number? 7. Answer should be divisible by 3 and 7. Answer should be divisible by 3 and 7. Little bit of calculation. Fifth term from the end. Fifth term from the end is coming out to be sixth term from the beginning. Sixth term from the beginning. Sixth term from the beginning. I hope it is clear. Sixth term from the beginning. Sixth term from the beginning. Fifth term from the end is nothing but sixth term from the beginning. I hope it is clear. Or directly you can actually say it is T6 just by sheer observation, sir. This is x cube by 2 minus 2 by x cube power 9. Power is 9. If the power is 9, I will get 10 terms. I will get 10 terms. 5 terms to the left hand side. 5 terms to the right hand side. 5 terms to the left hand side. Are you all with me? Fifth term from the end. Fifth term from the end is nothing but T6. Directly T6. Directly T6 we can do it. I hope the idea is clear. You can do a lot of questions based upon this one, sir. Suppose x plus 3 by a. X plus 3 by a. 12. 12 is nothing. Seventh term from the end. Seventh term from the end I want. Power 12. Power 12 is nothing but 13 terms I got. 6 terms to the left. Are you all with me? 6 terms to the right. This is nothing but this middle term. So what I want, whether I want the middle term, whether I want 7th term from the end or 7th term from the right, all are equal. 7th term from the beginning, 7th term from the end and the middle term, all are equal. Are you all with me? 7th term from the end, 7th term from the beginning and middle term, all are equal. If the power is an even, I will get odd terms. Easily you can do it. 7th term from the end, 7th term from the beginning and the middle term, all are equal. Suppose one more question. 5 by x minus 3 by y power 7 is there. 7 is there. Fourth term from the end. Fourth term from the end. 7 is nothing but 8 terms are there. 8 terms means there are 4 terms to the left hand side and there are 4 terms to the right hand side. To the right hand side. So 4 terms to the right hand side. Fourth term to the end. 4 terms means T1, T2, T3, T4. These T5. T5 is nothing but the fourth term from the end. Am I right? T5, T6, T7, T8. Fourth term from the right hand side is nothing but T5. I hope the idea it is clear. One more example we will solve. One more example. Find the middle term for. Find the middle term for x square by 3 plus 1 by x power 7 is there. Power 8 is there. First power 8. 8 means 9 terms I will get. 4 terms to the left, 4 terms to the left, 4 terms to the right. These are nothing but the fifth term. These are nothing but the fifth term. So fifth term, it is a T5, which is nothing but TR plus 1, which is nothing but 8C4 x square by 3 power 4. 1 by x power 4. I hope it is clear. If the power is an even number, number of terms will be odd. Middle term will be 1 value. If the power is an even number, middle term will be the right, one term will be the middle value. We will write down, sir. We will write down that one. If the number of terms in the expansion, if the number of terms in the expansion, if it is odd means power will be even. If it is odd, middle value will be middle value, right? There will be a unique value. There will be a unique value. If the number of terms in the expansion, if it is even, there will be 2 middle values. There will be 2 middle values. It is when the power is an odd number. When the power is an odd number. I hope the idea it is clear. Right? You can easily check it out by taking any question that comes into your mind. X plus 3y power 17. X plus 3y power 17. 17 means there are 8 terms. There are 8 terms. That means 8 terms here. 8 terms here. These T9 and T10. These are the middle values. These are the middle values. I hope it is clear. Similarly, x plus 3y power 6 is there. 6 is nothing but 7 terms. 3 terms to the left, 3 terms to the right. Middle value is T4, unique value. I hope the idea is clear. Middle term, you don't need to by heart it. Just by through sheer practice and experience, you will get this logic. I hope the idea it is clear. We will solve this question. Now, find the constant term. TR plus 1 equivalent to NCR x power n minus r y power r. It is in the expansion x plus y power n. Method 1. Method 1. So this is nothing but NCR x square power 9 minus r minus 2 by x power r. Am I right? This is nothing but NCR x power 18 minus 3r into minus 2 power r. Constant term means x will be taking the power as 0. 18 minus 3r equivalent to 0. 18 equivalent to 3r. R equivalent to 6. R equivalent to 6. So what will be the answer? 9C6. 9C6. If I take 9C6 into minus 2 power 6, x square power 9 minus 6, which is 3, 1 by x power 6. This will be cancelled. Answer is 9C6 into 2 power 6. Idea clear? 9C6 into 2 power 6. 9C6 into 2 power 6. Idea is clear, right? You don't need to do all this. Directly, right? You should get. Right? Now see here. TR plus 1. X square 9CR. X square power T minus R. And minus 2 power, which is nothing but R. 9CR x power 18 minus 2R minus 2R minus R. 18 minus 3R. And 18 minus 3R, it should be 0. Right? So R is nothing but 6. R is nothing but 6. 9c6 into minus 2 power 6 x square whole cube and minus 1 by 6 power 6. I hope it is clear. You don't need to do all this. Please see here, sir. Please see here. Right now, how we will write it directly? Method 2. Method 2. This is x square minus 2 by x power 9. Now, can I say that this is nothing but x plus y power n. NCR x power n minus r, y power r. Am I right? That means this will be taking 9 minus r. This will be taking r. Only concentrate on the powers. It is 2 into n minus r plus x power in the numerator, it will become minus 1 into r equivalent to 0. 18 minus 3r equivalent to 0. R is nothing but 6. So answer is 9c6 into x square power 3 minus 2 by x power 6. I hope it is clear. It is 9 minus r. Because it is 9 minus r, right? If you go by the generic term, go and see method number 1. You will understand it beautifully, right? So 2, power of x is 2. 2 can take n minus r, 2 into n minus r. X power is minus 1. Minus 1 into this will take r. 18 minus 3r equivalent to 0. R is nothing but 6. Answer is 9c6 into 2 power 6. This is the answer. We will solve some more quality questions based on this. Second problem. Second problem. Right? Suppose I want coefficient of x cube. I want coefficient of x cube. What you will do? This is x square minus 2 by x power n. n 9 minus r will be given to this one. So 2 into 9 minus r. X is minus 1 into this will be given r into r. I want x cube. Only work with this one. So these is nothing but 18 minus 3r equivalent to 3. R is nothing but 5. If r is nothing but 5, answer is nothing but 9c5 x square power 4 into minus 2 by x power 5. This is nothing but 9c5 into minus 2 power 5. X power 8 by x power 5 is x power 3. I hope the idea is clear. Before it is a constant term. Constant means power should be 0. Constant means power should be 0. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Similarly, one more question we will solve. One more question we will solve. Coefficient of, third question. Any question, coefficient of x power 9 we require. It is x square minus 2 by x power 9. It 2 can take 9 minus r, x power minus 1 can take r. So 2 into 9 minus r minus 1 into r. It is nothing but 9. 18 minus 3r is nothing but 9. R is nothing but 3. So answer for this coefficient of x power 9 is 9c3 and minus 2 power 3. Minus 2 power 3. Are you all with me? I hope the idea is clear. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? Now we will change the question. You can develop as many questions as possible. 3x plus 4 by x power 6. Constant term we have to find out. 3x plus 4 by x. Constant term we have to find it out. This will take 6 minus r. This will take r. So this is nothing but 6 minus r. Degree of x is 1. Degree of x is minus 1 into r. It is nothing but 0. 6 minus 2r equivalent to 0, r is nothing but 3. If r is nothing but 6, 6 is 3 into 3 cube into 4 cube. I hope the idea is clear. Just by looking at a question itself, you can say any question, write constant term coefficient of x, anything you can do it. Anything you can do it. Now see here, this is nothing but x by 3 power half plus 3 by 2x square. 3 by 2x square. Now it is root, right? Root means power became 5. So this is nothing but x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square power 10 by 2. It is nothing but 5. This is nothing but 5 minus r. This is nothing but r. Degree of x is 1. So 1 into 5 minus 4. Degree of x is minus 2. Minus 2 into, I hope it is clear, minus 2 into r equivalent to 0. This is nothing but 5 minus 3r equivalent to 0. R is coming to be in fraction. R is coming to be in fraction. Suppose if I don't remove root, this will become, let me see, this is nothing but half of 10 minus r. I hope it is clear. Minus 2 into r of half. I hope it is clear. X power minus 2 into r into 1 by 2. It should be independent of x. So this is nothing but 10 minus 3r equivalent to 0. R is 10 by 3. R should be an integer. R should be an integer. R should be an integer. Now let me see exactly what is the question. Why we are getting x as this one. Just give me 1 minute. Let me see the exact question so that we will understand the mistake. 1 minute, sir. Let me see the exact question which came in the exam. There could be a typo error. The question is, this question is root x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square power 10. Now you will get the answer. Root x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square. This is nothing but 10 minus r. This is nothing but r. So 10 minus r into, it is nothing but half. This is nothing but minus 2 into r equivalent to 0. 10 minus r by 2 minus 2r equivalent to 0. 10 equivalent to 5r by 2. R is nothing but 4. R is nothing but 4. If r is nothing but 4, what will be this one? 10c4 into root x, it is out. It is nothing but 1 by root 3 power 6 into 3 by 2. It is power 4. I hope it is clear. I hope it will be clear. Is the idea clear? Kindly reply, sir. 10c 10 minus r into 1 by 2 minus 2. It is nothing but 10 equivalent to 2r. Sorry, sir. Sorry. It is nothing but 2r, 4r, 5r by 2. R is nothing but 4. I hope the idea is clear. If it is the idea clear? Kindly reply, sir. Question, there is an errata. Kindly reply whether you got the logic or not. Kindly reply if you got the logic or not. Right? Now, there is a small calculation mistake which I did it. This is nothing but root x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square power 10. This is nothing but half of 10 minus r. Am I right? X degree is half plus this is minus 2 into r equivalent to 0. 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r equivalent to 0. 5 is nothing but 5r by 2. R is nothing but 2. R is nothing but 2. If R is nothing but 2, answer is nothing but 10c2 into 1 by root 3 whole square into 3 by 2 power. This is 8 and it is 2. I hope the idea is clear. Right term independent of x. This is not the question. There is a typo error. R cannot be in fraction. R cannot be in fraction. Now easily you can solve this question. X square by 2 minus 3x power 7 it is. I want coefficient of x power 11. This is nothing but 7 minus r. Degree of x is 2. Here it is r. Degree of x is 1. Degree of x in the question is 11. 14 minus 3r equivalent to 11. R is nothing but 1. If r is nothing but 1, it is NCR x square by 2 power n minus r into minus 3x power r. So this is nothing but 7c1 into x square by 2 power 6 into minus 3x power 1 minus 3x. Am I right? 7c1 x power 11, 14, r equivalent to 1 we got. If r equivalent to 1, if it is there, so it is nothing but 14 minus r, sir. Why am I doing lot of calc, right? X square by 2 minus 3x. Somewhere if I am doing, this is nothing but 7 minus r into 2 plus 1 into r equivalent to 11. It is 14 minus r equivalent to 11. R is nothing but 3. If r is nothing but 3, this is nothing but 7c3 x square by 2 power 4 minus 3x power 3. I hope the idea is clear. 7c3 into x power 8 by 2 power 4 into minus 27 into x cube. You will get the answer for this. Idea clear? Clear idea? 7c3. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Next one. X square minus 2x power 10. This is nothing but 10 minus r. This is nothing but r. Degree only do it. 2 into 10 minus r plus 1 into r equivalent to 16. 20 minus r equivalent to 16. R is nothing but 4. If r is nothing but 4, 10c4 x square power 6 minus 2x power 4. I hope answer is 10c4 into 2 power 4. 10c4 into 2 power 4. Idea clear? Kindly reply in the live chat. Constant term you can do. Independent also you can do. Middle term also you can do. All the varieties, I hope it is clear, right? I hope the idea it is clear. Independent also we can do. Now, let us solve this one. So, in x plus a power n, t second term, t r plus 1 equivalent to ncr x power n minus r y power r. Praveen, y power r. Now see here. Y power r. This is nothing but, see here. This is y power r. So if r is 1, t2 is nothing but nc1. nc1, right, into x power, right, it is nothing but n minus 1 and into y, into y, into a here. Again, if n r is nothing but 2, nc2 into x power n minus 2 into a square. T4 is nothing but r value, put it as 3. Put it as 3. NC3 into x power n minus 3 into a cube. Till here it is clear, right, sir? Till here it is clear. Kindly reply whether it is clear till here. Till here, I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Then we discussed a concept. TR plus 1 by TR is n minus r plus 1 by r. n minus r plus 1 by r. I hope it is clear. What you do here is, it's a calculation problem. I'll give an idea. TR plus 1 by TR is nothing but n minus r plus 1 by r into y by x. Into y by x. So what you do here is, T2 by T3 you do and T3 by T4 you do. Multiply it, you will get the answer. Reverse of this. So what is T2 by T3? T2 by T3, 2 by 3 minus, I hope it is clear, right? Substitute here, you will get the answer. X plus a power n. TR plus 1 by TR is nothing but n minus r1, r plus 1 by r into y by x. Y is a here. Just to use the notation, substitute it. Why am I doing? This can get cancelled, sir, easily, right? This can get cancelled easily. I hope the idea is clear. Little bit of calculation, but usage of this formula. Greatest term, I will solve it in the next one. Find the sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients is obtained by keeping variables 1. So answer is nothing but 3 power 7. Answer is nothing but 3 power 7. Another good question, sir. This is nothing but root 3 plus 8 root 5 power 256. This is nothing but TR plus 1 is nothing but NCR root 3 power n minus r 8th root 5 power r. This is nothing but TR plus 1 equivalent to 256 CR root 3 power 256 minus r 5 power r by 8. 8th root of 5 is 5 power 1 by 8. I hope it is clear, right? This is nothing but 256 CR 3 power 256 minus r by 2. 5 power r by 8. Now if you see here, listen carefully. R should be divisible by 8. R should be divisible by 2. Any number which is divisible by 8 should also be divisible by 2. Take the LCM of 2 and 8, it is 8. So R should be divisible by 8. R should be divisible by 8. If R is divisible by 8, R is of the form 8k. So 8 zeros are 0 into 8 into 32 is 256. 0 to 32. How many integral values it can take? 33 integral values it can take. Here R should be. Why are we not taking R should be divisible by 2? If I take R value 2 by 8, I will get 1 by 4. I want an integer. So R should be divisible by 8. Any number divisible by 8, when you divide by 2, I will get an integer. Just by looking at the question itself, I am able to say that it is right. Answer is divisible by 8, 0 to 32. Answer is 33 values. Answer is 33 values. Next one, another question. Another question. Then we will discuss the shortcut for it. TR plus 1. Next one, TR plus 1 equivalent to NCR root 5 power n minus r 8th root 7 power r. This is nothing but 1024 CR, 5 power 1024 minus R by 2, 7 power R by 8. Any number that is divisible by 8 is also divisible by 2. So 8 should be 8k. So k can range from 0 to 8 ones are 8, 22, 8 twos are 16, 8 eights are. So 0 to 128, 0 to 128. Total how many values you got? 129 values you got. 129 values you got. Answer is 129. Go back to the previous question. Now we will see the shortcut. These nothing but 3 power 1 by 2 plus 5 power 1 by 8 power 256. This is the question, right? 3 and 5 both are co-prime to each other. 3 and 5 both are co-prime to each other. 2 and 8. What is the LCM of 2 and 8? It is 8. 8 goes how many times for 256? 32 times. 0 to 32. Answer is nothing but 33 values. Answer is nothing but 33 values. I hope the idea is clear. Similarly, these directly you can write. This is 5 power 1 by 2. 7 power 1 by 8. Power 1024. 2 and 5 and 7 co-prime to each other. Co-prime to each other. 2 and 8, LCM is 8. LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 8 into 128. 0 to 128. Answer is 129 values. What if it is not of the form 1 by 2, 1 by t? It is something of the form 3 by 4. That also question we will discuss. I hope the idea is clear. Now see here. Find the number of integral terms. Traditional method we will do it. Traditional method we will do it. TR plus 1. It is nothing but 500 CR. 500 CR. 9 power 1 by 4. 9 power. I hope please see here, sir. 500 CR. 9 power 500 minus R by 4. Are you all with me? Right. Next one. It is 8 power. It is R by 6. It is R by 6. First traditional method we will do. This is nothing but 500 minus R should be divisible by 4. R should be divisible by 6. This is nothing but 500 minus 4A. It is nothing but 6b. 4a plus 6b, it is nothing but 500. 2a plus 3b, it is nothing but 250. I hope it is clear. 2a plus 3b, it is nothing but 250. 2 is a factor of 250. We already discussed. Ax plus by equivalent to k. A and b, at least one of a comma b. At least 1 comma a comma b is a factor of k. Answer is k by a into b plus 1. 250 by 6 plus 1. 6 4s are 24. 41. 41 plus 1. Answer for this question is 42. Please write down. Answer for this question is 42. Go by the traditional method. I hope the idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. Idea it is clear. It is clear, right? Idea 2a plus 3b equivalent to 500. Right? Actually it is 4th root 9 plus 6th root 8 power 500. All the options are right. There is no mistake which we did. Answer is 42. Answer is 42. What is that I discussed? 9 power 1 by 4 plus 8 power 1 by 6 power 500. 9 and 8 co-prime. 4 and 6 is 12. 12 goes how many times? 12 4s are 48, 20. 0 to 41. How much we should get? 42. Directly we got 42. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Right answer is 42. Find the number of irrational terms. Irrational terms. So irrational terms is 5 power 1 by 8, 2 power 1 by 6, power 100. Power 100. Power 100 means total 101 terms I will get. Minus if I do rational terms. Minus if I do rational terms, I will get irrational terms. I will get irrational terms. What is rational terms? 8 and 6. LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. 24 goes how many times? 4 times. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 values. 101 minus 5. Answer for this question is 96. Answer for this question is 96. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea it is clear to you. All are easy questions if you understand it. All are easy questions if you understand it. Irrational terms. Irrational terms is nothing but 101 minus rational terms. 101 minus rational terms. I hope it is clear. Next one. Please write down. Find the number of. You only tell me, sir, what will be the answer for this? 3 power 1 by 5 plus 2 power 1 by 3 power 1000. This will be 1001 minus 5 3s are 15. 15 goes how many times? 15 6 are 90. 15 6 are 67. So answer is 934. Easy once you understand. Easy once you understand. Idea clear, right? Next one. Next one. Find the root of root 2 plus fifth root of 625 power 110. These are nothing but 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2 plus 625 power 1 by 5 power 110. It is 1100, sir. It is 1100. I hope you can do it. 1101 minus 111. 111. I hope it is clear, right, sir? Or in case if you want to use the traditional method, these is nothing but 110 CR. 110 means total 111 terms only we will get. So it is 1100. So it is nothing but 1100 CR root 2 power 1100 minus R 625 power 1100 minus R divided by 5. So these nothing but 1100 CR 2 power 1100 minus R by 2. These nothing but 625 power 1100 minus R by 5. R should be divisible by 2 and 5. R should be divisible by 12 and 5. 2 and 5, which is nothing but 10. So 10 means total 111 values you will get. I hope the idea is given how to determine all these values. This you can try it out, 4th root 9 plus 6th root 8. Right, now see all these questions, whatever we solved. In the next class, I will take the greatest term. I will take the greatest term value. Kindly revise these entire class. If time permits, I will take tomorrow morning 7 a.m. class. Morning 7 a.m. class also tomorrow to complete binomial theorem class number 2. Right? I hope it is clear. Now we have launched to help students come out of these financial crises. I have launched one thing and there is a tremendous response for it. All my YouTube live classes, you can buy in 2 months package, 3 months package and a 4 months package. 2 months package, it is 1200 plus taxes. You will get algebra and number system, right, with 2 months validity, close to 180 plus hours content, you will get it. This is nothing but 2000 plus taxes. This is nothing but 2500 plus taxes. You think you can complete 180 plus hours in 2 months? Go for this. All these are 50% discount charges. Actually, you can double it, sir. All these are interested students. Sir, I want all your previous YouTube live classes, 180 hours of number system and algebra classes. You can buy only for this. In case if you are still struggling, you can still go for 1 month. It is 800 plus taxes. In case if you are still facing 1 month, it is 800 plus taxes. You can WhatsApp me and to get the courses at a 50% discount. Thanks a lot for your patient attendance. Evening we will catch up at 6 p.m. with a wonderful class on solve CAT questions in less than 10 seconds. Thank you. Solve CAT questions in seconds. Thank you. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.